Oh well, guys, it's one color now. So both sections are one, and yeah, the car is one color. Doors must just be redone again. A lot of extra holes in the front part I still need to. Well, but all paint has been stripped, been welded 90%, and yeah, it's one color. And for me, that is excellent. So now, next is the boot. There's some rust there, needs to be fixed, and some rust there that needs to be fixed. Luckily, I've still got the full body that I can use. Okay, and then after that is the inside. But yeah, outside all welded and done as I wanted to do it. So there's still a lot of work, but I don't care. Okay, so good luck for myself. For what it came in here and for what it is now. So what you see now is there's not one drop of body filler on this car this far. So next stop after I've done the boot, and then I'm gonna do the inside and then fix this few extra, all the encircled ones needs to be closed up, and then I need to put the pedal box and stuff in here because this is automatic body. So yeah, at the end of the day, this is going to be a manual 5-speed to the 2-liter turbo motor. Okay, enjoy.